All right, so this is our project, Crypto Crabs. I'm Troy, Juwan, Ben, and Kayla. Crypto Crabs is a gambling app where a player bets Ethereum on whether or not they will roll the target number. The functions for the app, well, you take the player's Ethereum address, send the Ethereum to the player if they win, take the Ethereum from the player if they lose, roll the dice for a random value, loop the process indefinitely or until the player ends the game. The player places a bet, and the player switches between betting with and against the dice. The rules: the green better bets first on the set point roll, and then they will set the point, essentially the first roll of the game. The green better will also want to set the point to be 7 or 11. If a 7 or 11 is rolled, the green better wins the pot. If the point rolled is a 2, 3, or 12, the green better loses the pot. Okay. If the point rolled is a 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, or 10, then the point is set. Once the point is set, the goal is for the green better to roll the same number again within 3 rolls before a 7 is rolled. If a 7 is rolled or 3 consecutive rolls have been passed without the point being matched, the green better loses the pot. If the point is rolled again with 3 consecutive rolls, then the green better wins the pot. For the red better against the green better in order to win. Red better wants to set the point to be 2, 3, 12 to win the pot. If the pot rolled is 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, or 10, then the pot is set. Once the point is set, if the green better doesn't roll the point again in 3 consecutive rolls or rolls a 7, then the red better wins the pot.
Okay. I spent a lot of time on our user interface, and pretty much these are the main functions that within our website that allows to input player information and in certain click events in order to actually play the game. And essentially, this was all done in JavaScript. Like to make it interactive and everything.
Sorry, I think I jumped you off there. But for the development, we wanted in the contract a function for setting the point for the game, a function for rolling the dice, a function for setting the bet amount, a function for sending payment to a player, and a function for sending payment to the casino, or if the player loses, money gets into the casino. And then last, a function for actually running the game.
And the front end the front end was done all in JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, and the back end was Ganache, MetaMask, and Web3. And this is pretty much just a picture of some code that we did.
All right, and for the contract code, it ended up all the code we used was original, and we had about 10 functions. This is a little screenshot showing the contract. We have a structure which holds the information for like game variables that need to be kept track of. And you see a couple of our getter and setter functions down here as well.
Okay, here's just a quick like snapshot like of our app. So pretty much in the top right corner, you click the text box, click you click the text box to put in your name, and then to your left you you put a value of the of the uh, of the of the amount of money that you want to bet, and then and then pretty much like after that, like you start playing the game. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Sorry.
You're good. Troy, do you want to do this page real quick, and then I'll show the demo?
Yeah, for the problems, communicating was an issue throughout, but we managed to get together in the end. So one of the issues was lack of foresight when planning. Some contract functions are unnecessary as the methods are better implemented in the JavaScript portion of the project. Getting our JavaScript to communicate with the contract through MetaMask was also a challenge, but now everything communicates as it's supposed to. So.
All right, and that's our presentation. I'm about to show a quick demo. Let's see if I can. All right, so here I'm going to run. Okay, and so this is our web page. And then upon loading the web page, it's going to go ahead and ask you to confirm a transaction, and that is a transaction that is setting the set point. I'll show real quick the ganache. So we're on block 140. And I'll show after you put in your name, this will change, and then also you'll get another notification. And then after I confirm this MetaMask notification, we go back to ganache. We see we're on block 141 now. And then so now we'll go over here, we'll bet 10 ethers. Then it shows your bet, and then it also, you get another notification from MetaMask. You confirm, and then now we'll go back to ganache, and we'll see we're on block 142 now. And so here, after we hit place bet, it showed our set point, which is 2, and that's a bad, we're about to lose, I'm pretty sure. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so we repeated our number, which means that we won. And you'll see we've got a bunch of notifications up here. Those trigger when the roll button is pushed, and also when you win. And so now we'll go back to ganache, and we'll see we're on block 143 now. And that is pretty much the gist of the demo. Guys, do y'all have anything else you want to say real quick, and we can stop this so it doesn't get too long?
No, I'm good.
All right. Well,